Welcome to Market Mindset University. I'm Michelle, and today we're unlocking the world of Forex markets, where currencies move and opportunities are endless.
Welcome back, traders. First, you learned about the stock market. Now it's time to explore Forex, the largest market in the world, and uncover how it really works.
Before we dive in, don't forget, we've got a free quick start guide waiting for you. Inside, you'll find the top trading terms, candlestick patterns, and the tools to kickstart your journey. Grab it today. It's completely free.
Thank you, Michelle. Now, let's get back to the lesson. Imagine you're traveling and need to exchange your money for the local currency. That's the essence of Forex trading, buying one currency while selling another, with the goal of profiting from changes in exchange rates. Let's break it down and see how it really works. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is a global market where traders buy and sell currencies. Unlike stock markets, Forex has no central exchange. How do you make money in Forex? Think of buying a currency like buying a share in a country's economy, similar to how buying stock gives you a share in a company. For example, if you believe a country's economy will grow stronger, you buy its currency. If the economy weakens, you sell to avoid losses. The goal is simple: buy low and sell high for a profit. Here's how it works in action. Let's say you trade euros by selling dollars because you believe the euro will rise in value. You buy 1,000 euros when the exchange rate is 1 euro equals $1.10. A few days later, the euro rises, and the new rate is 1 euro equals $1.15. You've made a profit. Let's calculate. You bought 1,000 euros when the exchange rate is 1 euro equals $1.10. Later, the rate moves to 1 euro equals $1.15, and you decide to sell your 1,000 euros. How many US dollars do you end up with, and how much profit did you make? Take a few seconds to determine the correct answer. Think you got it right? Let's break it down together and find out. You bought 1,000 euros when the exchange rate was 1 euro equals $1.10. So your euros were worth $1,100. A few days later, the rate rises to 1 euro equals $1.15. Now, your 1,000 euros is worth $1,150. That's a profit of $50. Why trade Forex? Because it's fast, flexible, and full of opportunities. The market is always active, so you can buy and sell anytime. Open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, Forex gives you freedom to trade when it suits you. Leverage allows you to control larger trades with less money. But remember, while leverage can boost profits, it also increases risk. Smart trading is what leads to success. Now that you understand the basics of the Forex market, let's see how it compares to other markets. Meet Jackie and Renee, two traders with very different goals. Can you match them to the right market, stocks or Forex? Jackie favors blue chip companies and long-term growth. She values stability, regulation, and fixed trading hours and long-term growth. Which market is best for Jackie? Jackie values stability and long-term growth over constant short-term swings. The stock market fits her needs because it offers steady opportunities, ownership in real companies, and a path to build wealth patiently over time. For Jackie, the stock market is the better match. Now, Renee prefers fast-paced trading and the freedom to act anytime. She's willing to take risks, aiming to profit from quick price swings, and often uses leverage to amplify potential gains. Which market is best suited for Renee? Renee thrives on speed and flexibility. She wants the freedom to trade anytime, day or night, and she's comfortable taking on risks to chase short-term opportunities. The Forex market gives her exactly that. Different trading styles fit different markets. Forex stands out for fast-paced, high-liquidity trading with the freedom to trade around the clock. Forex is only the starting point. The real question is, what other markets hold big opportunities? Let's explore them. Another lesson complete. Well done. If you haven't picked up your free trading guide yet, now's the time. It's packed with resources to help you put these ideas into practice. Stay sharp, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next session.
Don't forget, your free trading guide is waiting for you. It's the easiest way to lock in what you've learned today and start building your skills step by step. Just click the link below to grab your copy. And if this lesson helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend who's learning to trade, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.